This is something new we have in the market that we've been offering is full bed liners on vehicles. This particular Jeep came to us from one of our automotive dealers. The previous owner had had a lot of fun in this. There's a lot of brush scratch marks on it. They were having a little bit of trouble selling it. So we decided we would put a full bed liner on the outside of this Jeep and make it not only more aesthetically pleasing, to make it more of a conversation piece, something unique that somebody would really like to have sitting in their driveway. And when they take it off-road next time, it's going to be a lot more protected. This is something you can have on any of the vehicles on your lot to make them easier to sell and make it something unique your customers really want to see.